This is going to be the talk for the day. So finding data based on criteria. So see here, you can see you are having a number of sports football team names, and you have a table having how many matches they have won in a home ground, how many draws they have in the home ground, how many losses they have in the home ground. The same way in the away also. So you have a huge table containing all the football teams and the analysis of their points. So the sports teams generally have a better record. You know, any team which is going to play in their home ground, they are going to perform better. So same way, if you want to compare the number of wins and losses at the home, so you want to extract only the home wins and the home losses, and you are going to compare the data. Okay, so this fits into our topic where we are going to extract subsets of data and we are going to compare. So MATLAB provides useful tools for all these processes. So you can extract a subset of data, not by providing just to see if you give one mean this row, this is actually column number, this is column number one, this is column number two, column number three, and column number four, right? Just by giving one, two, three, four, it does not have any meaning. Suppose the home wins is becoming second, third column, and draws is becoming second column, then if you still use two, you will be picking data from the wrong column, right? So we are not going to use index to extract data, but we are going to use some logical method of extracting data that is called as logical indexing. So indexing means the first the numbering will be starting from one, and if you are going to have n rows or n columns, it will go till n, right? But if the position of the rows or columns are going to change, then I cannot use the numbering. So there I have to go for some logical indexing. So in this chapter, we will be learning how to use logical and relational operators to test whether a particular condition is true or count whether a particular condition is true and extract the results based on the result. So extract the data based on the result. So this is what we are going to see here. And today's topic, we are going to play with data. Data, analyzing data, extracting data, comparing data, and all those things we are going to do. Okay. So I hope today also it will be as interesting as it was yesterday. So we will continue with our course. So you have a 2-minute video. So what is conveyed here is we are going to compare the temperature, and for penguins, anything more than 15 degrees is considered to be very hot. Okay. What is being told here is we have to, if you're extracting data and if you want to arrive at a conclusion, you need to use logical operators along with the relational operators. Relational operators are going to give you the condition to be false or true based on less than or greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, strictly equal to. So based on those conditions, you'll be getting true or false. And using logical operators like and or, we are going to combine them and we are going to see how we can extract data. The one condition here we have seen for penguin, the temperature should be minus 15 to minus 20. The same thing will not be applicable for the other animal. It is going to change, right? The things are not going to be the same for everybody. Okay, that is what is told.